Hi, I'm Nadir.
Hi, I'm Irfan.
Hi, I'm Jeffrey. I'm Afiq.
Welcome to our channel, and today we are going to introduce and play this game called Shawarma Kiosk. Alright, first, I'm going to explain to you what is this game called Shawarma Kiosk. So basically, this game is a cooking game where you cook shawarma at a small stand called Shawarma 24.
Your job is to prepare shawarma and serve drink to customer. Seems like a normal cooking game, right? Well, you are wrong.
What makes this game so popular in Roblox is how it combines cooking, horror, and survival. You have to walk quickly while also following the rules that are set inside the kiosk.
It's really exciting because you never know what will happen next, and every shift feels different.
Jeffrey,
Yes.
your job is to check the CCTV and confirm to us if it was an anomaly or no.
Okay. Okay, boss.
You understand?
Alright, understand.
Okay, Pan.
Yes.
Your job is to close and open the the window. Make sure it was
Okay,
an
boss, I
anomaly.
get it. Okay, boss.
You understand?
Next time, we will
Yes, I understand.
You are pick.
replace the meat, replace the
Oh,
meat.
sorry,
please.
replace the meat. Your job is to do the shawarma and soda. Do you understand, Apik?
Do you need it for me? Chapni?
Yes.
Okay, nice.
What?
What an amazing
Let
thing.
me punch your face at the school lah.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Behind that wall.
Say bye to him. Say bye.
Wet carpet and
Goodbye. Follow him.
buzzing.
Bye, bye.
Why is he lagging?
I think it's anomaly.
I think so.
Yes, I think it's anomaly.
See? He's still lagging.
Boss,
Oh, no.
are you lagging, boss?
Uy, tipos. Uy, so scary.
Yo,
Mark the entrance with blue tape. This is just a wall. I know how it sounds.
So scary.
You have to walk through it.
I am not.
Once again, say something to the camera. Hey, why you close?
I am not going back.
Jeffrey, say something, Jeffrey.
Hello guys. Welcome back to our. This is vlog for my.
Okay. Thank you. Ivan, say something, Ivan.
Hey guys, this is my first
First job.
first day work in at shawarma.
Okay, pick. Say something.
Yes, human.
Turn it off. Pick. Say something, pick to the camera. Look at me. Look at me first. Uy,
What?
why is her eyes like that?
Yes.
For me, yes, it's already. But
I think this is not a human lah.
Jeffrey, check.
Normal.
Oh, she's normal. Pick, say something first.
Boss, you're lagging, boss.
I'm not.
Hello.
Ah.
Oh,
Hi guys.
it's anomaly.
Oh no.
Anomaly.
This job. How do you feel, Apik, about this job? Doing this job?
Hi guys. This is Apik. I will serve the shawarma.
What do you feel about this job? Do you like it? No?
50-50.
50-50. Why? Can you tell me why? Uy,
Can you feel me when you serve
Get out.
the shawarma?
Get out. Stop introducing yourself.
Why the like 100, boss?
The meat, it's alive.
Wait.
Wait. Turn it off.
Boss. Go away lah, boss.
Let's go here. All. See here. I think that's the end of us. So we're going to be ending this video here. Say bye all. Abig, say goodbye.
Bye all. Bye. Goodbye. Get your rest. Bye. Goodbye us. Goodbye.
Bye. Goodbye.
Goodbye.